So today's activity is all about patterns, and patterns are a part of the pre-writing skills, and this pattern is called as the box pattern. Can you see? It is like a box, so it is called as a box pattern, and we are going to make an activity using tiny bits of paper, colored papers, glue, and then we are going to create the box pattern using these bits of paper. So the first thing is apply glue. Slowly apply glue, and then take tiny bits of papers and paste it on the glue to create the pattern. See how colorful it is looking, and at the end you will be surprised to see a beautiful pattern. So one box is ready, and now I am going to apply some more glue. Don't apply glue in the beginning itself for the entire pattern. Finish one box and then go to the next box. So this is how we are going to create the box pattern. I am going to finish the second box, and yes, it's done. Now moving on to the next box. So again I am going to spread some glue on top of these lines and stick these colorful bits of paper. So I think you can relate it to the rhyme as well, right? Bits of paper, lying on the ground, lying on the ground. Makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. So why did I sing this now? It's going to get over, and never leave the bits of paper like that. Pick it up and throw it or keep it safe. So our box pattern using colorful bits of paper is ready.